Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to group picture and shapes in Microsoft Word so they move and resize together as a single object. Grouping is very useful when you create design layouts, posters, diagrams or graphic style documents in Microsoft Word. Instead of moving images and shapes separately, you can combine them into one group, which keeps your design organized and prevents elements from shifting out of place. So let's get started. Now we can see here assignment. Now I go some down, then select the page, go to the insert menu. Now I am create a shape, click the shape drop down menu. Now I am create the polygonal shape, then select the shape. You can change the color, go to the format menu, click the shape fill option. You can change the shape fill color, otherwise you can make the outline none or add another color. Now I go back again, insert menu, click the picture option, then choose picture from our file. Now I am select this image, then we can see this image is too big. Select the image, go to the format menu, select the wrap text, choose in front of text, then resize the image, make the image small. You can resize the image as your choice. Now I select this multiple object, press and hold shift on our keyboard, then go to the format menu and align this object on top, then click the group drop down menu, make it group. Now you can see I select any, then select together and move anywhere to this shape and picture. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.